I'm so tired after that nap. What could wake me up on a morning like this? Aha! I'll watch an LPS video by that Gia Bird person. She still hasn't posted a video? It's been forever. What if there's a reason why she hasn't been posting? What if she's dead? There, sent it to the entire country. We're back, revamped, the madness never ends. We're not alone, this time we brought some friends. Leave you mangled and wandering away. Huh? I got a message from my friend. Gia Bird is dead? She's my favorite YouTuber. Probably some lies or something. 500 replies. OMG, she's right. Totally true. All evidence leads towards Gia Bird confirmed. I'm not sure what any of this means, but if it means she is dead, then if everyone believes it, it must be true. Whatever. A couple hours, but it's feeling like days. Gia Bird's dead? I must share this. OMG, Samantha so needs to know about this. Daddy, can you click the enter button for me? Happy? Yes, thank you. Gia Bird is dead. This must be shared with my 500 plus internet friends. I don't know who this is, but it must be important. Share. The whole world needs to know about this drama. Pizza is so good. I could eat it all day, maybe even for a month. Let me check the calendar. OMG, it has been a month. Nothing to worry about. So much pizza. This is a lot of pizza. Like a month's worth of pizza. Let's look at my text thing. Someone sent me something. Gia Bird's dead? What? She's my best friend, and I saw her only a few days ago. A few weeks ago. A month ago. OMG, what if they're right? Maybe I should just go over there and check. Hello, Mrs. Bird? Yeah, can I come over to Gia's? No particular reason. No, particular reason at all. I just want to see if I could come over to play. Okay, then I'll be right over. How long? Probably about 5 minutes. Okay, see you there. Gotta go. Gia Bird! Gia? She's dead! Oh no. I better take her to a funeral. Her own funeral, this time. What's happening here? Shh! Let her rest in silence. Rest? Is this a funeral? For who? Huh? Oh, sir, can you tell me whose funeral this is? It's Gia Bird, the famous YouTuber. Not so famous, but that one YouTuber. Oh my. She's really dead? Well, the internet says it, and she looks kind of dead to me. Oh, well that's sad. I know. Why? She was at 29 subscribers. 29! Alright, matey. I'm sorry I jump scared you all those times in that video game. It's my duty. Gia? Are you moving? You're dead. She's mumbling. That means she's a zombie. Or we could just take off the wrapping. Hey, I was just sleeping. Just sleeping? What the heck? Wait a minute. Is this a funeral? What did you think it was? Did you... Did you guys think I was dead? Well, I eat 500 pieces of pizza a day, and that lasted for a month, so I just passed out. Okay. Well, on to hot dogs.